Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Shopping online is super convenient, but sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe your package is delayed, the wrong item arrives, or something's damaged. Do not worry, in today's video I will walk you through how to resolve issues with your Temu orders quickly and easily. Let's get started. First step, make sure that you updated your app to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. You will see go and open up the Temu, and you can go ahead and click you, and you're gonna see your orders from here. All right, and you can use the help center for that. You can click on the specific item and they will walk you through how to report on some issues, right? Another way of doing it, you can just go ahead and stay on you, right, or stay on your profile and click the mic or the head speaker at the top, and you can see right here still can't resolve the problem. You can just go ahead and click contact us, and you're gonna walk through where is the issue, right? Maybe there's specific thing in your order that you want to resolve, and you can go ahead and talk to the Temu bot, and they will refer to customer service, right? And they will assist or they will assist with your problem, right? And make sure that you track the resolution, right? Once you've reported the issue, you can track the resolution status in your app, right? And you're gonna be able to see customer support records or request an item. You're gonna see right here your order status. So that's it. Resolving issues with your Temu orders is simpler than you might think if you follow these steps. I hope this video helps make your online shopping experience smoother. If you found it helpful, give it a like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.